Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send crypto from your Coinbase to your Tangem wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on our Coinbase application and this is our main wallet. Now from here you can either go to the top right section where you can see the three dots, and then from here you can explore all the options that you would like, including your own wallet, or simply on the main homepage click on the transfer button, and then from here you can select send, receive, deposit, or withdraw cash. So you're going to click on the send crypto to another address. Now from here is going to give you multiple options for which address you would like to send to, and so from here you would like to get the new address from Tangem. So exit the application and then go to your Tangem wallet. Once you log in, you will need the Tangem Wallet tool that you would like to order. If you don't have one already, click on the bottom right section. And then from here, it's going to send you to the store to buy a card for the set for the wallet section. Once you have it, all you have to do is scan it to your phone. So you're going to scan the Tangem and then you will log in and it will show you your own address directly. So as you can see, these are the wallets that are supported. All you have to do is to copy that address, then go back to your Coinbase wallet and then paste it right here. And then once you do that and click OK, it will show you the assets that you would like to send to that address. And so from here, the possible assets that I can send are Solana and USDC. So I'm going to click on whatever each one of them. And then from here, you're going to select the amount you would like to send for that, and then click on preview. And finally, it's going to ask you if it's a self-custody wallet or an exchange. So you're going to click on self-custody wallet. And then from here, it might ask you a few questions if you're sending it to yourself or sending it to someone else, to write their full name and the country they're residing from. Once you do that, click on continue. And then from here, it's going to show you the final result, which is going to be the review and the amount of fees that is requested for this transaction. And once you click on send now, it will send it directly. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.